Hello everybody, you're watching the special feature of Food Taipei Mega Shows 2025. It's Raymond here. We made it to the headquarters and factory of CHIA NAN, the synonym of very delicious made in Taiwan MIT fish balls and also meatballs. Today we're going to find out the magic, the beauty, and also the secret behind these very yummy food products. And to help me do that, I'm very happy to be joined by two experts from CHIA NAN. We have Director Hui and also Director Winnie. Would you firstly say hi to our viewers?
Hi everyone, I'm Hui-Chi.
Hello everyone, my name is Winnie.
Okay, everybody, literally, I cannot wait to get into the factory right now. You ready? You guys ready? Let's go! Alright, we're deep into the factory of CHIA NAN right now. You can see the production line here. You don't get to get in here usually, alright? So thank you to CHIA NAN, thank you to Hui-Chi. So Hui-Chi, please show us around.
Okay, today I'd like to walk you through how CHIA NAN food companies to produce its famous fish balls. The great fish balls start with a high-quality frozen minced fish. We select the first sticky variety to make sure they turn out perfectly bouncy. Choosing the right one minced fish is absolutely important.
That's very, very important. And then after that, what do we do?
We use two main machines to prepare the fish blocks. A slicing machine cuts the fish blocks into thin pieces.
Alright, so what you do is to put this minced fish blocks into this machine, and this machine is going to chop the block into thinner pieces. Alright.
Yes. A high-speed emulsifier blends the slices with seasoning until they're smooth.
Yes, this is where you see people adding all kinds of different ingredients into it, mixing, pounding, that are happening to make the perfectly emulsified fish paste.
After mixing everything well, we weigh the fish paste and store it in refrigerated storage until it's ready to use. Now, we take the fish paste and send it through the machine that shapes it into the fish balls. These balls then drop straight into the big cooking tank filled with warm water. And this tank has a smart system that automatically adjusts the temperature, turning the heat on and off as needed and just keep everything right.
Okay, yeah, everything has to be perfectly right and precise. That's very important. Yeah, so what's next?
After cooking for a while, these balls go into the individual quick freezing called IQF.
Okay.
The freezer cools them down super fast from hot to frozen in just 1 hour.
Okay. Wow, just 1 hour.
This process to preserve the fish balls' freshness and flavor.
Okay, so this IQF machine can literally cool down the temperature of fish balls from 75 degrees Celsius to minus 18 degrees.
Yeah.
That was quite something.
After freezing, this balls goes into the packaging area. The machines like auto weighers, packers handle everything.
Okay.
They move along the conveyor, gets weighed, sorted, packed automatically.
And what about the quality?
Then they go to the quality checks. If something's wrong, the system removes it, and the good ones to be boxed and stocked.
So the system really does its job. Okay, we'll come to the last part of the production line, right?
Yeah, lastly, the special robot cart carries the finished fish balls from the fourth floor to a large freezer, where they're kept cold and ready for shipment.
So this big guy here really plays a very important role, taking the fish balls down from the fourth floor to the second floor. He knows how to take the elevator, all right?
That's how CHIA NAN food companies make their delicious fish balls.
Okay, we just left the production line. And you know what? Whatever happens inside the factories is actually very carefully monitored here. And you see all the monitors here, all the screens behind our back. Just think of it as a smart control room, right, Winnie?
Yes, our system monitors key parts of the process, such as emulsifier speed and temperatures, boiling and freezing conditions, packing, metal detection, and the wet check. It adjusts in real time to ensure top quality. We also focus on ESG. reducing energy use, and improving efficiencies. Since we introduced the systems, it has helped us quickly spot and fix issues, keeping risks low. Additionally, monitor its functions can prevent problems and avoid energy waste.
That means you can find all the information you need here behind our back, the monitors, the situation room, everybody. Okay, I've seen a lot and learned a lot at CHIA NAN today. And just before I go, I got a few questions for you, Hui-Chi, okay?
Okay.
Firstly, can you tell us how CHIA NAN has come to where it is today and what is it that it really wants to do in the industry?
Our business philosophy is simple. CHIA NAN's dedication, you can taste it. Eat healthy, it's safe, it's delicious. Many people have enjoyed our delicious fish balls without knowing that these playful bites come from CHIA NAN Foods Company, founded in 2002 and expanded in 2021 with the second facility. To let more people get to know CHIA NAN, Chairman Chen Jianzhi, after taking over the company, began creating a private brand, Taobo, a line of tasty and bouncy fish balls.
Yeah, we also know a lot of companies are focusing on ESG and sustainability nowadays. What is it that you do?
Let me share with you our ESG efforts. First, environment. We are having a smart energy management system to monitor and analyze factory power usage to reduce energy consumption and carbon emissions. Secondly, social responsibility. We promote a friendly and inclusive workplace to make our employees happy. We have also built a food traceability system to strengthen consumer trust in our products. Thirdly, corporate governance. We are committed to enhancing supplier evaluation and compliance, ensuring zero violations.
So Hui-Chi, any future expansion plans that you can share with us?
In addition to meatballs, hot pot ingredients, and crystal dumplings for export, our tourism factory opens the door to developing convenient, ready-to-eat snacks and meal kits perfect for small households and on-the-go lifestyles. In Taiwan, you can find our products in supermarkets, retail chains, and catering companies. We are also working on overseas markets include the US, New Zealand, Australia, Southeast Asia, Dubai, Hong Kong, and Macau. Looking forward, we aim to expand further into Europe and Japan while working with local distributors to extend our presence in supermarkets, wholesale channels, restaurant chains, and e-commerce platforms. Our goal is to bring CHIA NAN Foods safe, fresh, and delicious products to consumers around the world.
Okay, everybody, this is the moment I've been waiting for because I'm a big fan of fish balls and also meatballs, and it's time for me to have a taste of these similarly very, very delicious meatballs and also fish balls in front of my eyes, all right? But as a disclaimer, because I'm a big fan of fish balls and also meatballs, and I probably wouldn't hold back my opinions if it's not good, okay? Is it okay with you?
Yeah.
All right? Okay, so we'll start with this first one. What is it, Hui-Chi?
They are meatballs.
Meatballs,
Yeah.
made of pork?
Yeah, pork.
Okay, let me just give it a taste. It's very good.
Yeah, it's really good.
Okay, just for our Western viewers, you cannot think of this as a Italian or American meatball because usually the kind of Italian meatballs are cooked in tomato sauce and have softer and also tender texture. But Taiwanese meatball is different. It's very bouncy and also very juicy. All right?
Yeah.
That's very good. And what's this second one here?
They are cuttlefish balls.
Cuttlefish ball. All right. Let me try this. Cuttlefish ball, everybody. Also very bouncy.
Yeah.
I like the kind of a taste of ocean in this cuttlefish ball. Wow, it's very good. Okay. Okay, the third one. Don't tell me what it is. Okay.
Okay.
I just gonna give it a bite. It's in this very intriguing water drop shape. I don't know what's inside. Okay. Everybody, you can see. What is it inside?
It's a raw fish balls.
Oh, it's fish roll inside. And you know what? I can feel the kind of fish roll popping inside my mouth. It tastes very interesting, I have to say. Wow. Okay, everybody, it's the moment of truth. The meatball, okay, the cuttlefish ball, and also the fish roll meatball. Okay, they all pass. All right. Okay, I'll give it an A plus. And also, what's your favorite, Hui-Chi?
Meatball is my favorite.
Okay. All right. I think everybody, this gives a very perfect end to my tour to Jianan. I really had a lot of fun today. And I have to say, it was a fun ride, very interesting, and also very, very educational. And of course, if you want to find out more about Jianan, you don't want to miss the Food Taipei Mega Shows 2025 this year. We have a lot for you, and we hope to see you there. Thank you so much again, Hui-Chi, for your time.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.